As the inquest into the murder of Rongo University student Sharon Otieno entered the third day, forensic biology analyst at the government chemist John Kimani Mungai took the witness stand.
2 used condoms in 2 exhibit bags.
Before court, the prosecution presented several exhibits recovered from the scene at Kodera Forest where Sharon's body was discovered. Among the exhibits, a pair of blood-stained trousers, a jacket, open shoes, brassiere, underpants, and 2 used condoms. From Sharon's body, buccal swabs, vaginal swabs, cartilage, and fingernails were generated. From her unborn baby, cartilage, blood samples, and fingernails were generated. Buccal swabs were taken from Migori Governor Okoth Obado and his co-accused, Michael Oyamo and Caspar Obiero. And after the analysis of DNA samples from Sharon Otieno, her unborn baby, Okoth Obado and Michael Oyamo,
There are 99.99+% more chances that Zachariah Okoth Obado is the biological father to the donor of the DNA generated from the fetus, that is Sharon Belin Otieno's child.
The analysis came with some welcome findings for the second accused, Michael Oyamo, who was Okoth Obado's personal assistant.
Michael Juma Oyamo is excluded as the biological father to the fetus.
Mungai told the court the DNA samples generated from bloodstains on the jacket, a pair of long trousers, open shoes, vaginal swabs, and a brassiere matched the ones generated from Sharon Otieno's buccal swabs.
With a frequency of occurrence of 7.39 times 10 raised power of -20.
And what does that mean?
That the DNA profile of a person is quite unique. The chance that 2 people have the same DNA profile is not astronomically small, that small.
Of the 2 used condoms recovered at the scene, one marked 6C was analyzed.
The DNA profile generated from the semen from the condom 6C was of unknown male origin.
Did you attempt to establish whether there was any connection between the condoms, which according to you the finding was for an unknown male origin, and the vaginal swabs?
We attempted to generate a DNA profile from the epithelial cells with no success at all.
Meanwhile, the Tekra Muigai murder case entered the second day on Wednesday, with the court hearing testimonies from government pathologist Dr. Johansen Udwor, family pathologist Dr. Andrew Gashie, and Omar Lali's brothers Abdul Hakim Lali, Kwasai Lali, and Ali Bakari Mohammed. The late Tekra Muigai's post-mortem report is surrounded by controversy, with the pathologist saying the injuries suffered by the deceased contradict an earlier testimony given in court. Other issues of contention are whether the deceased was found lying on the floor by her own by the first witnesses, or if Omar Lali was holding her. Senior resident magistrate Zainab Abdul adjourned the inquest to November 10th and 11th. Rita Tinina, KTN News.